Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something exciting for all you outdoor enthusiasts. The Dynacraft Silver Canyon 26 mountain bike. This is not just any mountain bike, it's the best mountain bike available in the market. Stick around as we delve into all the features and benefits of this incredible ride. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the Dynacraft Silver Canyon 26 mountain bike. This mountain bike is designed to tackle the roughest terrains and provide an unforgettable riding experience. It boasts a sturdy steel frame with a deluxe dark gray cloud effect paint finish, ensuring both durability and a sleek appearance. This mountain bike is perfect for riders aged 13 and above, or anyone over 57 tall. It's important to have a bike that fits you perfectly, and this one is tailored for those looking for adventure. Now, let's talk about what makes this bike stand out from the rest. The Dynacraft Silver Canyon comes equipped with front and rear alloy V brakes with alloy levers, ensuring reliable stopping power in any situation. It features a 21-speed derailleur with grip shifters, making it incredibly versatile for different terrains. And with full suspension and lightweight alloy rims, you can enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride even on the bumpiest trails. Here's something that sets this mountain bike apart. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty on the frame and fork. That's the kind of confidence Dynacraft has in the quality and durability of their product. Now, a quick note on assembly. While the bike is relatively easy to put together, you'll need a few tools to get it ready for your adventures. Be sure to have a crescent wrench, 2 different size Allen wrenches, and a Phillips head screwdriver on hand. Also, don't forget a bike pump to ensure your tires are properly inflated. In conclusion, the Dynacraft Silver Canyon 26 mountain bike is a fantastic choice for those looking to explore off the beaten track. Its robust build, versatile gearing, and reliable brakes make it an ideal companion for any adventure. If you're in the market for the best mountain bike that offers both quality and affordability, this could be the one for you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and current pricing. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more informative reviews like this one. Thanks for joining us, and happy riding!